like, share and subscribe.
Get ready, wear comfortable cloth, use a yoga mat. Let's get started. Warm up exercise. Stay relaxed and warm up.
Next up, head side to side. Keep hands on the hip and move the head side to side. Next up, march in place. Swing the arms gently back and forth as you march in place. Breathe normally. Next up, cheerleader. Stretch both the hands above the head on the right hand side. Bring back to the original position and then stretch to the left hand side. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds. Next up, signal wave. Wave the hand in front of the face side by side. Alternate right and left hand in front. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds.
Let's start with main workout.
Next up, side to side shuffle. Stand on the toes and shuffle side to side. Do it for 15 to 20 seconds. Do it slowly first to get the rhythm. Next up, reverse lunges. Stand feet shoulder width apart, arms by the side. Lunge backwards. Ensure the leg makes 90° at the knees. Breathe normally. Exhale as you get up. Alternate right and left leg. Next up, box and kick. Stand with left feet in front. Punch with the right hand 2 times and then kick with the right foot 2 times. Repeat for 10 to 15 seconds. Alternate with the other side. Next up, bicycle crunch. Lie down on the ground, hands on the ground, head relaxed. Hold the leg and stretch as if you are cycling. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds. Next up, reverse plank. Lie down on the back and plank. Raise the hip so that leg makes 90° at the knee. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds.
Let's move to cool down.
Next up, toe touch. Stretch the hands above the head, then bend the entire upper body and try to touch the toes. Do not bend the knees. Do not worry if you cannot touch the toe. Do it for 10 to 15 repetitions. Next up, hip hip hooray. Stand feet shoulder width apart, arm relaxed by the side. Stretch the arm completely in the third step above the head. Next up, welcome. Join the hands in front of the chest. Stretch outwards. Breathe normally. Do for 10 to 15 seconds.
That's all for the day. See you tomorrow.
Like, share and subscribe.